Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn Facebook account into business account. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and search for the Facebook, and you need to update your Facebook application. As you can see, my Facebook is up to date. Then you simply need to click on open, and from here you need to click on your profile picture and click on your name, and here you can see three dots. Click on that, and in the bottom you can see professional mode. Click here and click on turn on. So now you can see that your account is converted into professional business account, and now you can promote your profile as well by running ads. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.